Hi, welcome to my shop. This is Super Simple Woodworking with Eugenie. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make caps for the glue, screw, and cap method. I'm going to make, I made this jig. This is 1x5s. And this is to keep the caps from flying off the bandsaw. So I just attach this together and then I put this here. Now, all the caps for my projects are made with dowels. This is a 5/16 dowel. And I make two sizes. I make 1/2 inch ones for doors and certain projects, and then I make 1/4 inch caps for all the other projects. You can buy these already cut, but I find that they're tapered, and because they're tapered, they tend to push themselves out over time. So these will stay in better, and they're cheaper. So for both those reasons, I use dowels. Okay, so next I'm going to cut them. I like to cut 2 at a time because it saves time. And I'm going to make 1/4 inch dowels. So this keeps the dowels from flying everywhere. And I'm just going to go like this. As you see, all the dowels are there. Now I'm just going to remove this. And now I have my dowels to make my projects. So thank you for watching today. If you like my videos, subscribe. And upcoming projects are going to be how to make a door, how to make a shelf, how to make a teacup shelf, other hints on woodworking, but simple woodworking. Stuff that even if you have never made this before, you can do it. Thank you.